filled waffles. Be sure to ask assistance from an adult. And today, here is my Ate Ivy to help you out. Let's get started! The main ingredients are pancake mix and sliced hot dogs. You'll also need a waffle maker, apron, a pastry brush, butter, and anything that could be used to lift the waffles. Before we handle food, make sure your hands are squeaky clean. First, preheat your waffle maker. Second, prepare the pancake mix according to the instructions in the packaging.
It is usually just mixing water with a pancake mix.
Then brush the waffle maker with some butter. Fill the molds halfway with the prepared pancake mix. Place the hot dog on top.
Be careful, it's hot.
Cover the hot dog with the prepared pancake mix. Next, close the lid and wait for 5 minutes. If the other side is cooked, flip it to the other side and wait for another few minutes. Lastly, remove it from the waffle maker. Be careful, it is hot.
Now, it's done!
Again, this is Steph
And Ate Ivy. Thanks for watching!